Guys, welcome back to day 13 of AS Biology in a single month. The exam's come up in 2 weeks, so, well, actually less than 2 weeks, about 1.5 weeks. But yeah, this is the 2020 EdXL Biology paper 2 AS, and we have got another improvement. So this still took about 140 minutes or just over 2 hours, but we managed to get up to 77.8%. So seeing good improvements, going from 70 to 74, now 78. Hopefully next time we get into the 85s. Since I'm pretty sure I know most of the content now, it's just a few small things as well as the exam technique phrasing, which I'm starting to understand how to improve. It's all about being clear. So when you have a point, be specific about the different things. You can see here I talk about bases, but I didn't talk about nucleotide sequence. So I need to just be specific in my answering, and yeah, just specific and clear how to answer. So all simple stuff really. There's a lot about monozygotic twins in this paper, but that was fine since it was alright. Again, I need to make sure that I mention identical alleles rather than just saying genetically identical or same genetic material, since you need to be specific about what you mean in genetic material. Okay, conservation. Still a bit to know about stud books. I'm starting to know what I don't know as well. Need to learn about lac operons. Need to learn a bit about. I think I still need to fully understand the reproductive cycle. I'm not sure about how much about hormones we need to know, since we haven't seen anything about hormones in topics so far. So I guess I'll just go over some online resources. But the plan is, once I get through these papers, I have 2 left. Once I get through these papers, I'm going to just go through some topic exam questions on StatSec Physics and Maths Tutor. And unfortunately, my app hasn't imported these yet. I've only imported the questions, so I've got the base, but not the I've got the base of knowledge, but I haven't actually got all of the exam technique down, which is fine. I mean, I think given that I've had to study this in less than a month, I should be able to just use other resources, but the base of the knowledge has been coming from AI Exam Tutor solely. But yeah, like I was saying, so I'm just going to go through exam techniques, go through as many questions as I can, not focus on repeating them, but rather just seeing as much content as I can. Epigenetic changes always refer to DNA methylation, histone modifications, histone methylation and acetation, and yeah, just getting through here. And the phrasing when it comes to crossing over and describing an independent assortment is a bit confusing, but I think I'm starting to understand that when you can use terms like chromatids and alleles. Just need to understand exactly what each means, and standard deviation questions. And now that I'm into the final stages, I'm just using the flashcard technique, where I just list off the points and tick them off like flashcards. So thanks for watching, and that was day 13 of AS Biology in a month.